Hello everyone, my name is Ashwarya and you're watching updates about entertainment and business news on triple.com. Mastersoft brings digital transformation to educational institutes in Tamil Nadu amidst COVID-19 pandemic. Mastersoft ERP, one of the most trusted ERP service providers having prominence in South India, is providing complete ERP support to digitalize the dynamic operations of leading colleges, schools and university in the region. It enables the institutes to grow by enabling better academic delivery holistically with the help of informational communication technology. R. Krishna Kumar, Vice President Sales and Marketing of Mastersoft, said, Mastersoft is focused on the academic and all-rounded development of students through impeccable technology support as part of ICT enablement. New study finds that eating almonds may help improve the health and nervous system's responses to mental stress. As part of a recent clinical trial, researchers at King's College London measured HRV in participants undergoing a mental stress challenge and saw improved measures of HRV in participants who had been replacing typical snacks with almonds over a 6-week period. The study was founded by the Almond Board of California. McDonald's India North and East adds peri-peri seasoning to spice up its world-famous fries and chicken McNuggets. Customer can upgrade their fries or chicken McNuggets with peri-peri seasoning that comes in a separate pack along with shake paper bag. Robot Hangan Fu, head of CPRL, that is Connaught Plaza Restaurants Private Limited, operates McDonald's restaurant in North and East India, said, "We are excited to bring backbone of the most popular and irresistible menu item for our customers and give them a sense of familiarity as well as excitement by spicing up our menu with peri-peri fries and chicken McNuggets." Bhushan Kumar snatched Meri Rani to feature Nora Fateh and Guru Randhawa for the very first time. After doing solo projects for Bhushan Kumar's T-Series, the gorgeous Nora Fateh and the incredibly talented Guru Randhawa have teamed up for the project's music video for the first time ever. Talking about it, talented singer Guru Randhawa said, "I'm super stoked as almost after 5 months we shot for a new track. It is something fresh and the song has very upbeat groovy vibes to it like my other songs." Nora added, "I'm so excited to be collaborating with Guru for the first time in a music video. I immediately agreed to be a part of this project because the song is so peppy and catchy." Indresh and Nidhi to tie the knot in NTV's Santoshi Maa Sunaye Vrat Kathai. With the much awaited wedding day finally nearing in NTV's Santoshi Maa Sunaye Vrat Kathai, the entire Singh family is seen all decked up and ready for the Indresh and Nidhi's fairas, while on the other hand, Swati is seen sitting her home helpless. In Devlok, Santoshi Maa is helplessly crying, unable to do anything for her adorant bhakt Swati in such a challenging time. Dharti Bhatt, who plays Nidhi, shares, "Nidhi is like every bride on her wedding day, bursting with joy. She had been waiting to get married to Indresh for the longest time and the day has finally arrived. How will Swati react to this? Will Santoshi Maa will be able to find any solution?" To know, watch Santoshi Maa Sunaye Vrat Kathai at 9 p.m. every Monday to Friday only on NTV. This is it for today. For more updates about entertainment and business news, stay tuned to our channel triple.com.